The dollar, in fact, you can see here at the moment is staging a recovery. The last 3 days, it has rallied back. It actually filled the gap where it gapped down on the Monday open, came very close to the 200-day moving average, lower end of the trend channel. We gapped down, formed a hammer, filled the gap over the course of Tuesday, follow through on Wednesday, and we're building up some momentum here. So you can see this V-shaped reversal pattern, and it looks like really we've got the potential for a rally in the US dollar here. I'd certainly be short-term on the side of the bulls here for the US dollar, looking for a short-term retest of the 50 MA and the 21-day moving average, providing this follows through. So it does look optimistic for the US dollar at the moment, which I would expect to therefore put some pressure on gold. At the moment, if we have a look also at the weekly chart for the US dollar, and of course it's very important to see how the US dollar closes out the week, because if there had been a close, or if there is a close below 99 level by the end of tomorrow, so the end of the month and the end of the week, that would spell the potential for a further correction on the US dollar. But this at the moment looks like a bear trap. We broke support. You saw initially traders getting obviously stopped out of their longs, and some traders entering into sell short positions on a break of 99, but then we filled the gap, and this is almost a bullish engulfing candle. If it gets much higher on the weekly chart, that is essentially a buy signal. You've clipped below support, not closed below it, and the potential to then rally and retrace higher. It's not necessarily the start of a huge rally here in the US dollar. It could just be short-term move back towards the upper end of the trend channel, so put short-term pressure on a number of commodities priced against that, such as platinum, gold, and silver, and then the US dollar might well retrace and go for its second leg lower. But at the moment, momentum is on the side of the dollar bulls here, and I would expect that potentially to carry through today as well, and a further surge. You've got a nice V-shaped reversal pattern. The neckline has already been broken, so I would look for a continuation pattern here on the US dollar, which would likely put some pressure on the short term on gold here. I'll just quickly show you that on a different color scheme to show you the neckline. There we go. So essentially we're breaking through the neckline at the moment for the US dollar, and yeah, just anticipating further strength on this market. So what trades could we look at as a result? Well, certainly the US dollar looks like it wants to break out, so it could be a long buying opportunity on the US dollar short term, take it up to resistance around the monthly pivot, around the 100.70 zone, which marries up with the 50 MA, the 21-day moving average. It's approximately 100.60 up to 100.70 on the US dollar if you trade the US dollar directly, or you might be trading it via another Forex major.